Team Associated T6.2. Whoa! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're going out for Stadium Truck B main, B1 main Stadium Truck. Going to be starting in P4. See if we can get up into that top 3 for a chance to take home trophy. There's triple mains. We're not going to record all of them, but we get 3 chances. It'll be your best of 3. Here we go, Stadium Truck. Stadium Truck, B1 Stadium Truck starting in P4. I'm in the lead, I gotta fend everyone off. Clean, smooth, no mistakes. Oh, should not be hitting the brake at the end of the straightaway. Just roll off and coast. Yeah, much safer. Cannot brake. Whoa! Too much speed. Damn, now I'm in third. Ooh. That worked out in my favor. First getaway though, he's a quarter of a track ahead now. Back in the third again. Now I'm in fourth. Good battles. Oh, bad bounce. Alright, I'm done. I got third. Nope, fourth. Started fourth, finished fourth. Definitely threw that away. At one point I was up in the first and then threw it away with mistakes. Started fourth, finished fourth. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Mains Day, day 3 at the track at CTSR, the Roch Championship 2024. I'm doing triple mains for all classes, and so I got into the B and everything. And on stadium truck, I started in the fourth, made my way up into first, 3 laps in. I made some mistakes, started fourth, finished fourth. But I was having some, inconsistency problems at the end of the straightaway. If I went a little bit too fast, it would spin out of me. So I've gone to smoothies. I've gone to slicks on the stadium truck for the rest of the mains. This is going to be the B2 main stadium truck. I'm going to go on slicks. I didn't like the performance that my old treaded tires were starting to do in that main, so I've switched to Smoothie 2 slicks. I ran the previous championship here on these. That's why you can see that crosshatch mark in it. That's not meant to be showing. That just means the tire's getting that thin. You can see the inner structure. They still perform pretty well, but they're starting to degrade now, I would imagine. I'm quite curious if it's going to be better or worse than my old ellipses. So I'm trying the slicks, because then I have one last chance in main 3 and I'll decide which tire was better and run that. Team Associated T6.2. All right, stadium truck, first time on slicks. Starting in P4. Actually, yeah, the slicks feel better. All right, here we go. I'm not used to being on this tire, but we're gonna do my best.
Drivers ready, stop less than 5.
All right, up in the 2. Alright, I'm up in the first now, if I don't screw it all up. Still holding first. Second crashed behind me, so it gave me some breathing room. This is good. I've not had a marshal yet. Trying to stay calm, cool, collected. The slicks feel awesome. Whoa! Almost rolled it over there. I think I'm done, but I'm going to go around just to be sure. All right, we did it. We won a main. Won the B1 main, starting from P4. Won it. Awesome. Yo. Oh, thank you.
Because I didn't explain it in English.
Yes.
And I forgot that I have 4 English guys.
Okay.
So do you have your coupon?
I already got a prize. I got oil.
You already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I got one prize
So
oil.
it's not you.
No,
I'm
not me.
looking
You're
for
missing
the
someone
one.
else. Yeah, okay, someone else.
Because I just talked to Mark's side, other.
Yes.
And I was like, oh, sorry, I forgot to explain to you that you have a prize at the store who's waiting
No,
for
I
you.
got mine. We're good. Thank you. All right, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. All my second mains are finished, so I just ran through my B2s and everything. In the stadium truck, I was starting in 4th and finished 1st, so I won the B2 main on the slicks. Huge improvement going to slicks. I should have done that earlier, but I didn't remember that from last time, that the slicks on the stadium truck are just superior overall because of the size of the contact patches. Massive. In the stadium, I'm sticking with slick. Now I go into the 3rd mains, and I'm not going to record those races. I've recorded the first of all my mains and the second of all my mains. Now the 3rd one, I'm not going to record the races. I'm just going to try and focus, do my best, not have a camera on my head, and then I'll come back at the very end with the tally, because it's you'll have a drop, right? It's your best of 3.